What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it with the FX Impact 22 caliber. Today we have the Zulus 4K. Super excited to see how it performs. For ammunition, we're going to be using the 40.1 grain frag slugs. I've been really favoring these things. I really enjoy the ballistics coefficient and the harmonics it has with the FX Impact 22. It's just been working out really well. So without further ado, let's get after it. If you guys are enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out. And drop a comment below. What scope are you guys running right now for small game?